The Rack Shop is proud to present this Honda Element, and we've previously installed the CoreBar SkyLine base rack system. If you want to check out just the rack, we'll link to it in the description below. But here we've installed the Yakima LoadWarrior Rooftop Cargo Basket. So this is a basket with universal mounting hardware. All the mounting hardware is included, along with the front wind fairing. You can add locking hardware to it if you want to add some security. Those locks are available separately, come in sets of 2, which we feel is pretty sufficient, or you can get 2 sets of those to have all 4 points locked up. So it fits a wide range of different crossbars, not just Yakima. In addition to locks, you can also add an extension, which would make the basket even longer, 18 inches. So that's just a quick walk around so you can see what this basket looks like on this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this with a couple clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.